Hi, welcome to tutorial number 5. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to import bank statements to avoid having to make many manual transactions. Go to Money Transactions menu and import bank statement, and here is the screen where we have to fill out various things dependent on your particular bank's exported file. Normally export a CSV file because that is the most flexible one for you. So firstly, let's select a file and we go to so we've got this test bank statement.csv file which contains a number of records. Now in this little checkbox here, you need to know the format of your CSV file as far as the payments and receipts are concerned. In some banks, they provide one column and make the receipts a negative number. So you've got one column, positive results equals payments, negative results equals receipts. If, however, your bank provides two columns, one for receipts and one for payments, then you need to put a click in that box, because you then find that you have two fields to fill in as far as which column represents which field. So for the time being, the ANZ bank that we've used as a default only provides one column. So we know that the date is in column 1, we know that the number amount is in column 2, and column 3 represents the reference. Now we need then to select which bank account we wish the transactions to eventually go to. So we'll say the ANZ general account, click on import transactions, and here you have a list of all of the transactions that have been imported from that CSV file. The payments and receipts have been duly separated. What you need to do now is to determine if there are any entries in here that you've either already catered for or you do not wish to be included in the bank account. Maybe you've duplicated it on a previous import. But once you've been satisfied, then you can either highlight the individual ones with a tick, or you can put a tick in that box and you've selected all of them, and then you can click on import selected. Now if there were duplicates, you could click on the items that have already been covered previously, and then you can click on delete selected so that it doesn't get confusing later. But for the meantime, we'll import those selected, and so that shows now that they've all been imported. All the unloaded items have gone. So we click on back, or we go to our record of income and expenditure, go to the general account. Now here you can see this red background here. Now what that is telling you is that that particular entry requires further attention. It's not balanced. And so what you need to do then is to go in there and edit the transaction. You can see it's a receipt. You've got all the details that have come from your bank statement. You just need to allocate a row. In this case it is a sales, and we'll call it sales general. Save the amount and save the whole record. And now you notice that it's now been cleared as being okay. You need to go through each and every one of those items with the red marking on it. So you can see there's quite a number of them down there that need attending to. So again, click on the edit button. It's a receipt, and it's an invoice, so obviously it's some form of sales. So we select the ledger for sales general. Click on the OK button, save the whole record, and then that item has gone as well. So that's really as simple as it is for uploading your bank statements. Thank you for watching.